Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, today I am doing an unboxing because I came upstairs to work from home after our trip. Just because we're hourly, I still have hours to gain, or I would have taken today off, but I still may take a half day because I am worn out from my trip to California. But today is Valentine's Day, and my husband said, Babe, I brought you some juice. Isn't this the prettiest? I think it's cranberry juice. Looks like tea. But isn't that the prettiest glass? Right after I'd made myself some coffee. And he had made me breakfast for Valentine's Day. It's a muffin and some bacon. This is wonderful. Not exactly on my diet, but that's okay. It's one day. So then I sat down at my desk and I found this. And I'm so tired. I looked right past it because I was like, oh, a Christmas present. But it's Valentine's colors, red and white. So, this is an honest unboxing. I have no idea what's in this. I haven't even finished my makeup, as you can see. I have my brows and lips on. That's it. I didn't even do a good job of that. I'm just going to tear into this. What did we get? What did we get? The big old box, so there's no telling. It could be anything knowing Lance, because he thinks ahead. I don't know. It's from Neiman Marcus. Neiman Marcus guy, I guess. Alright, let's see. What did he get? Where's some scissors? Okay, shipped to Neiman Marcus. There we go. And let's turn it this way, and we turn the scissors away from the face. And always cut away from the body. That's good safety. Practice. I need a different set of scissors in here. Let's just, that's first. I need to change scissors out. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Alright. It looks like, okay, this is some sort of a tote. But it looks like it goes with something. But this looks like it was a giveaway from Neiman. This is a Neiman Marcus tote with some samples. We'll go over what they are. I just got lipstick on the tote. Oh, I see why. Okay, I told them there was a perfect perfume that I thought I wanted. And apparently this white tote comes with, if you order this perfume. And apparently, so does this. Okay, so here's the tote. We'll look at it better in just a moment. This also comes with it, it looks like. This is a beautiful, it's a little velvet bag. It looks like it's a, maybe a mirror. Ooh. Brie Ilche, baby. Ilche. No. Oh, it is. It's a dual mirror, meaning it's probably magnified and then normal. Mirror for your purse. So that's a Norel purse mirror. So I'm going to put it back in its little velvet pouch. And that is Norel, New York. So that came with the tote. So we'll put that back down in the tote. Alright, so we're going to do the tote in just a second. I want to get to the present. Oh, how pretty. It's called Norel Blushing. So let's do that. Get rid of this box. It's in the way. It's in the way. I just want to make sure I got everything. Okay. Okay, this is the 3.4 ounce. Oh my goodness. Y'all, so hold on. Here it is. There it is. I'm so excited. Alright, hold on. Let me slide it out. It comes out of one of these kind. And we will be getting rid of the box. Some things I keep the box, some things I don't. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at all the little kind of champagne-y, what do you call that? Kind of opalescent. Bree says I. Get the plastic off. Okay, so now you can see it better. It's got this kind of like opalescent little bubbles. Like pink champagne bubbles, I think is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, and okay, the lid comes off like that. Oh, just look how pretty that is. Look at the little pink champagne satin top and the little satin ribbon holding the top. And look down in there at how pretty that looks to get this out. Is that a beautiful presentation of a perfume or what? Okay, so let's pull it out. And it's sitting in a little pink pillow. Now, I'm not going to get rid of that box. That's a beautiful box. Look at the packaging on this. Look at the little diamonds right here around it. That's going to be beautiful on a dresser. So let's just try it on. I felt like shaking it up. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I am going to be gorgeous smelling. That is wonderful. Okay, so this is, gosh, I don't know what the notes are. Maybe it will say and I can tell you. But it's kind of a pinkish color. It's got a beautiful rose gold with diamonds or rhinestones, I should say, around the rim. And that whole piece comes off like that. I think I put a little too much on, but I want to really smell like it when I go downstairs and thank him. And then this beautiful crystal long top. So what that does is that creates a very nice presentation on a dressing table. I'm putting that in front so you can see through. Very pretty. Y'all know I have a perfume tray. Comment below if you would like an update of what's on my perfume tray, because I have a lot of perfumes. I actually have a perfume case that's across the room in the bedroom because I have so many. Just because for a while I was just trying perfume all the time. But then I have my faithfuls. Oh, I just noticed something else, y'all. On each of these little corners right here, can you see there's more of these little rhinestones, a little triangle of the rhinestones on the corners. Can you see that? Can you see? I feel like if I put it next to me, it does better. That is such a pretty presentation, and it really smells good. Let me see if it does say anything about what the notes are. It does not. It's Norel is the brand, and this perfume is blushing, and I got the Eau de Parfum. There's a difference in that and Eau de Toilette, and they do smell different. They're meant to. One's more of has different note undertones, and so you may actually like an Eau de Toilette better than an Eau de Parfum. Usually they cost about the same, but you know, sometimes it costs more to have the perfume because it's more concentrated. But sometimes people don't like the more concentrated smell of something. So, wow, I really sprayed a lot, but I love it. I love it, and I want it to smell right. So this is my Valentine's Day unboxing, and I absolutely love it. Love it, love it. He did so good. Now, real quickly, let's look at that tote. Now, the tote is a gift with purchase, obviously, because it's probably a little bit more because it's the 3.4, so it's going to be more expensive. So they give you a present, and this one is a tote. So this is the look of it. Let me get back. So it's all white, and it's like a Louis Vuitton Vernis. It's kind of this, it's supposed to look like that leather. And it's very, very pretty. Not Vernis, what is it? It's the ribbed leather. But anyway, so on the back it has just a reinforcement place right there. And on the front it's got two large pockets. Oh, that's nice. They're like chamois inside, but I'm sure that's not real chamois. And then folded down in it are two handles. And that, of course, is a great size tote. I mean, that's very easy tote for the summer or spring because it's kind of a white off white. It's almost got, because that texture, it's almost got opalescent feel to it, even though it isn't opalescent. And inside, it's fairly very wide. It's got I'd say 5 inches in depth, 5 inches deep. So let me show you. See the depth? That's this way. That's how deep it is. So I'd say it's probably about 14 inches wide, about 12 inches tall. Is that about right? Yeah. And about 5 inches deep. So that's a nice little tote. Plain on one side, 2 big pockets on the other. That'd be great. You could use this as a purse, y'all. That could be a purse. A summer purse. So I like that a lot. It's really nice. And then, of course, y'all heard it popped out. But this is a substantial. This feels like real brass, y'all. Norel dual-sided mirror. And it comes, and it needs to come because if that's brass, you don't want to get it all scratched up. And a little velvet pouch with Norel on it. And then they also sent, because they're Neiman Marcus, and this is their beauty area, they sent a little bag of samples. So let's see what all I got. Okay, the first thing is a sample of Amore Pacific Time Response Eye Reserve Cream. I actually need that this morning, y'all. For those of you who don't know, I have been flying since Monday, or in California since Monday, and obviously flying there on, I'm sorry, I flew on Sunday and I flew back last night at almost midnight. So it's been, and we had a lot of problems with our American flight, so, but anyway, so I could use this eye cream. I can say Amore Pacific, anything is awesome, but their eye cream is going to be awesome. And then a Belle Royale cream. This is another eye cream. Replenishing eye cream from Guerlain, or some people say Guerlain, and Maison France Kardashian, or whatever, Kurjan Gentle Fluidity Eau de Perfume. So this is another perfume. A little perfume sample. And then a brightening cream from Lancome. So it's a lot of little neat things to try along with this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful perfume. Again, I can't get over these little edges even have diamonds. Anyway,